So we're gonna start today's everyday carry pocket dump. So bring it in over here, Havens.
Is this good?
So we got the keys right here. This handmade little keychain. I like to keep them high in my pocket so they're easy to grab and get to, especially when you got stuff in your hand at the door. Having it tied to your belt weight, your waist height. That's about the same height as your doorknob. You can pretty much reach if it's attached to it 3 to 4 inches away. Here we got the everyday carry flashlight. Really doesn't matter which brand you choose, just get something lightweight that you can actually use. And it'll charge. This one's rechargeable. That's why I chose it. It's like $20. This is one of the better tools that I have in my pocket. It's a knife. It's a multi-tool, really. You can put bits in it, all sizes. But I like using the 1/4 inch drive, putting sockets on it. I ride a Harley, so you end up on the road, on the side of the road a lot. So yeah, you gotta kind of have tools. It's a little ratchet 1/4 inch drive joint. I like it. It's cheap. It's like $5 on Amazon. All of these tools right here I carry in this pouch. I carry the flashlight on my belt, on my pocket. But all these fit in this pouch. I made it specifically to fit this pocket right here on any Carhartt pants or work pants. So if you do this, think about the size of it, depending on the pants you wear and your pocket sizes. But yeah, I can put all this in there. As you guys can see, I did the video with Haven and Tanner the other day, but completely forgot to download the footage where I talked about this. But in the footage, I didn't really explain why I bought this in the first place. This is, first of all, this is a Shadow Systems MR920. I think it's their elite model. It was one of the first elite models that came out. I haven't had any issues out of it. I resprayed the Cerakote on it. I mean, I wore it in a Kydex holster immediately, wore it every day. Crawled all over the ground with it on concrete and dirt. And people are going to ask, I guess, the specifics on this optic, and it's a Holosun HS507C X2, but it's I'm gonna get a measuring device. It's about that's how deep that window is. All that collects dirt and dust all day long. And it sits like this, right outside the waistband. So you've got almost a 1/4 inch of gap or hole right here to fill up. And that red dots are red dots. It depends on what you're doing in your daily life. If you're going to be on the ground rolling around fixing trucks and stuff, red dots are probably not for you. You'll probably mess it up, or it'll be disgusting like this one is on the inside all the time. This firearm's purpose is to pretty much say, Glock, this is what you should have done, but you didn't do. Your Gen 4 model should have probably been this way, Glock. And Shadow Systems is pretty much calling you out, and they're taking your customers because of it. And I kind of hate to say that.